Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to find the simplify of Bn. So now I want to show you how to answer. About number 1, we need to do common denominator with 2 to the power of number 2, 3 to the power of number 2, until n to the power of number 2. Next, we can put like this. We combine two fractions together. Next, we have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So, number 1, that is about 1 square. So, this one we can transform into this one. So, this one we have number 1, this one we have number 3, this one we have number 2, this one we have number 4, and so on in here. So if we look carefully, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. We have another formula in here. This is about factorial. So, about this one on numerator, we can transform into n plus 1 factorial. This one on the denominator, we know that we don't have number 1. We can put about 1 square in here. And this one, if we multiply, and we have n factorial to the power of number 2 in here. So, we need to simplify. So, for this one, we can put n factorial multiplied by n plus 1. So, n factorial divided by n factorial in here. We have n plus 1 over n factorial. This is the end. Thank you for watching.